it's Ariba and me and Lils are back. We're going to share with you guys a really cool hair tutorial that we've been doing a lot this summer. Are you excited to share it? Those are your hair ties. So we came across these little hair ties. Here, you want to hold one for me? They're basically hairy scrunchies. Okay, so like you can see, it's a scrunchie and it's like covered in hair and it comes in a bunch of colors. I'm gonna leave the links for these down below in the description. I got them off Amazon for like literally 11 bucks and I'm pretty sure that's like around $7 or $8 US. So you can just use one, but I'm gonna use two because I want a jumbo bun. So they're really cheap, they're synthetic hair so you can't apply heat to them. But they're great for like really quick and easy buns, right? So when it comes out of the pack, it's flattened out like this, and you literally just have to like shake it out. Here, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. And it turns into a bun, and that's it. This one's yours, these are yours. I got dark brown for her, and I got dark blonde for me, which kind of looks a little too light now that I have it because my hair is darker now, but I think I can make it work. Because this is so easy and it's like nice and messy, it's kind of like a vibe, you know? So I've been wearing it with like jeans and almost on like a daily basis kind of thing. So this bun that I create, I'm gonna create it on the top of my head, but you can take that idea and you can place this bun anywhere. You can wear it like a low bun, you can wear it off to the side, you can wear it pretty much anywhere. But before we get started, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn the bell notifications on so you guys don't miss any of my videos. So normally when you go in with just a regular hair tie, you would just dump your head upside down and create your bun like so, okay? So this is like what I normally do with my hair buns, right? But just to like kind of fancy it up, and it's just as quick, you can just go in with these hair ties, okay? So you just put your hand right through, and you can make this like a formal bun too if you go in and like do it really refined, but I want to show you guys a couple of buns, so I'm gonna just do it kind of quick and messy. So if you're gonna just use the one furry hair tie, you would stop here, you would go around once, and then on the second loop you would just kind of stop there, okay? But because I'm gonna use the two hair ties, I'm gonna loop this around and it'll look like this, like just like a ponytail, okay? And then I'm gonna tighten that, and then I'm gonna take my second hair tie and I'm gonna grab the ends and I'm gonna loop it through once, and then on the second loop I'm just gonna create like a little bit of a little loopy loop like that, okay? So then I'm just gonna go in and just like kind of mess it up just to blend everything in, and then because I want it to be kind of like easygoing and just like a natural vibe right now, I'm gonna just pull out some hair on my face to give it more of like a laid back vibe. Isn't it cute? It's like so fast. It's like really cute if you're like just wearing like a cute pair of jeans and you're just running out and you don't feel like doing your hair, you just like throw it up in this and it looks like you're so done up. These are yours. You wanna hold this one for me? Put your head up, sweetie. Yeah. Like super fast bun. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way around. Once and twice, okay? And we're gonna just do that. And now with her remaining hair, here.
I'm brushing it.
You're brushing it. That's silly. We're gonna go around once and then twice, and then just kind of camouflage everything together. Look at that bun. Lils, that's a serious bun on you. Alright, so you can see that was nice and quick and we're done. And like I said, I would normally go in, like if I'm going out somewhere super nice, I would go in and like do it super refined and like clean it up, but I just want to show you guys like some quick daily buns today. Baby, do you like it? I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below if you want to see some nice and quick, easy tutorials like this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.